If this video has found you, you are about to manifest your SP because today I'm going to give you the number one trick that actually moves the needle so much quickly when it comes to manifesting your specific person, the person you love, the person with whom you want that deep relationship and commitment than almost anything else I have seen with all my clients. And that is sending out love to this person alongside whatever manifestation techniques you might be doing and a good mental diet. This this small action that you can do for just even as little as 1 minute in your day is going to give you results that are leaps and bounds above and beyond anything that you might have experienced when it comes to manifesting your person, the love of your life, right? So, what is this and how do you do it? And what kind of results can you expect? Let's dive into that today. So, hello everyone, I am Neha Kumar, and on this channel, my mission is to help you guys master the game of manifestation because life is a game, manifestation is a game that when you know how to play and you know the rules, you can literally get anything that you desire. So, if that is something that you'd like to have, do subscribe to the channel. When you do subscribe, press the bell icon and let's dive in. What do I mean by sending love to your person? How to do this and what can you expect? So, as we all know, everyone is you pushed out, right? Neville Goddard coined this term that everyone is you pushed out. Now, if you want to, using the same logic that everyone is you pushed out, if you want your specific person to love you, that means you need to have an assumption that your specific person loves you, which also means that you and your person, if you are in love, if you guys are actually in love, you and your person will have deep feelings of love for each other, which also means, by the way, like, where am I going with this, right? With so much talk about love, which means that you have deep love towards your partner and your partner has deep love towards you. So, if that is the end, if that is the end result, that you have deep love for your partner, what feelings would you be releasing if you were already in a relationship with your person? Now, is what I told you making sense? When you, right now, when you don't have your partner, when you don't have that lover, you might be in a no contact situation, you might be in a situation where they are angry with you, they don't want to talk to you, they don't want to see your face, and you have fear and anxiety and a little bit of anger, and they have fear and anxiety and a little bit of anger, or a little lot of anger. And if that is the vibration between you guys, you're not in love, right? But what if you were to change the energy that you are releasing towards your person? What if you were to say, okay, for 1 minute, I'm going to close my eyes, and this is how you do this method, okay? What if you were to say, if for 1 minute, I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to put my attention on my heart, around my heart, right? Where it's your heart chakra, your heart center. And I'm going to visualize, I'm just going to close my eyes for 1 minute anytime in the day when I feel comfortable, and I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to visualize my heart opening like a flower. Imagine your favorite flower in the place of your heart, and that flower is opening. And as that flower opens, I send a beam of love. Okay, when I did this right now, I was literally visualizing peonies, beautiful baby pink peonies. You can use any flower, you can use a rose, like something that symbolizes love to you. You see that flower open, and that open flower now sends a beam of love towards your person. Visualize your person on the other end, just basking in this beautiful light of love. And I do this for a minute. Set a timer. Set a timer on your phone for 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. 30 seconds it would take for you to center yourself and breathe deeply and relax completely, and then visualize that flower in your heart center, it opening, and the beam of light. This light could be pink, or like gentle pink in color, because we're talking about love. We're not just talking about lust, which would be red, like gently pink and sparkly in color, and I visualize sending it towards my person, and just let them bathe in your love. When you're doing this exercise, just think that all the love that you have in your heart, you're sending it across to your partner. And you do this every day. You are changing your assumptions, you're changing your energetic imprint and energetic signature in the world, where you're saying, no, my relationship with my person is filled with love. And isn't that what it would be if they were in your life already? Isn't that how you would be living in the end, when your person is in your life? So much love that you just cannot contain yourself, you have to jump and run and just enjoy your life. Wouldn't that be your life when your person loves you? So why not do it right now? Because everyone is you pushed out. You do this, you change your signature into the universe. You change and quantum leap into a new timeline where love is what fills your heart for your person. You just have to do it for a minute and 30 seconds. Then, of course, maintain a good mental diet, be perseverant with this practice, like consistent, because we want to get sure in this new identity, where all you feel for your person is love. And be consistent and disciplined, and do your manifestation practice. Maybe you are visualizing, maybe you are affirming, whatever you do. Because see, again, if you're on my channel, you know that the power is not in the technique. Any technique works as long as you're consistent, disciplined, with a good mental diet. Doesn't matter what technique you use, and one technique cannot fit everybody. Everybody is different. Maybe you do all techniques like me. I love playing with techniques, so I affirm, I rampage, but I also visualize, meditate, and script every day. So do what doesn't overwhelm you, because the power is not in the technique. The power is just mm, you putting in the effort to stay in the state of having your wish fulfilled, however you do it. All right? Do this, send love to your partner, and let's just do it as an experiment for 7 days and come back and tell me how it went. All right. So thank you so much for joining me here today. Like this video, share this video, comment Master Manifester, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to book personal coaching with me, where I could help you one on one overcome any sort of limitations that you might have in order to help you master the game of life, game of manifestation, then sign up. You can send me an email. The details are in the description box or my pinned comment, and I will see you again soon. Bye.